I've loved ironweed since I was a kid. It is so homely, right? It's cool. But to grow ironweed, would I need a reservoir of water to keep it happy? And this is Bill from Southport, North Carolina. So what do you think about that, Jessie? Do you need a reservoir of water to keep it happy?
I would say no. We have one of our favorite ironweed little patches around here is between the cracks of our concrete on our sidewalk, and it comes up every year. And we love it until it flops over and gets in the way, then we hack it off. Comes back every year. Now, if it's the very first year and you have a little baby, you're gonna have to baby it a little bit, just like any plant. But once it's established, it doesn't need any more water than anything else. It can grow pretty much anywhere.
Okay. So
shade,
full sun, shade.
It loves full sun, but we have some here in almost full shade.
Oh wow, okay.
So they're pretty tough.
Okay.
There's a reason that the weed is on the name.
Oh, well,
now I love all kinds of natives that have weed in the name, but I think part of that is that they grow with tough conditions in a lot of places.
Yeah, that makes sense. Hey, weed in the name makes sense.
Yeah.
But guess who knows a little bit something about ironweed as well? So that's a little story about ironweed.
Let's hear it.
Yeah, we just listen to Mary talk about this ironweed.
Yeah, so I'm a big fan of ironweed.
She's a big fan.
It's a great plant for pollinators. It's a native plant all across the eastern United States. I carried it down the aisle for my wedding.
Nice.
I was on my way to my wedding. I realized I didn't have flowers to carry down the aisle.
I like
Pulled
this.
off the side of the road. There's a nice stand of ironweed. Clips them off. So that's what I carried down the aisle. So ironweed, it's a good one. You don't need a ton of water. Once it gets established, you're good.
It's a great story, Mary.
I like it.
Love it.
I like
Love
it.
it.
I like it. I like it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.